Okay, so we have completed the Bannerghatta exploration. So it's time for that surprise what I told earlier. So just a few kilometers away from Bannerghatta National Park, there is one place called Suvarnamukhi. So it's actually a it's actually a temple. It's I think situated above some rocks. So a short trek is required. So kind of a bit adventure also. So that's where we are going. So let's go to Suvarnamukhi. So here we begin our trek to Suvarnamukhi. Narma, I see it, college.
You have to come to Sri Champakadama Swamy temple, which is situated just before the Bannerghatta National Park to reach Suvarnamukhi. So the journey to Suvarnamukhi actually begins here. Suvarnamukhi temple and Suvarnamukhi pond or Kalyani is situated 4 kilometers from here.
Yes.
This place was completely unknown to me until I got to know about this from my friend who stays near Bannerghatta. So he had been to this place during his school days with his friends, which was an adventure, kind of an adventure for them back then. So that is how we decided to explore Suvarnamukhi. Initially, I was not so excited about this, but once I got to know more about this place, I understood that this place is not just a religious place but also a mystical one as well. These steps lead to Narasimha Swamy temple before getting into the forest on the way to Suvarnamukhi. As we were climbing up the hill, an aerial view of Bannerghatta was visible.
After climbing up a hill, now we are going down. Whew. This place is kind of isolated. I don't see much people coming here. Okay. Few people are coming here and there. That's it.
The history of Suvarnamukhi is not very clear and it is still shrouded in mystery. However, legend states that Bannerghatta and surrounding areas were part of Dandakaranya forest in which Rama wandered about with Sita and Lakshmana. What you can see here is believed to be Lord Hanuman's footsteps.
And there's complete silence. We cannot hear anything except some sounds of animals and birds.
When we reached exactly this point, my friend just reminded me of how they heard an elephant sound when they visited last time, and it did scare the shit out of me, though I'm not sure if it was true. Here, we lost the route, and it was kind of a man versus wild situation where we were looking for footsteps, but instead of footsteps, we found trails of a jeep, which indicated that even four wheelers could reach there. This is actually a part of a belief where stones are placed over one another over a vast area in order to get their wishes fulfilled. Several miniature houses using stones brought by pilgrims have also been built.
So we've almost reached the destination, and that is the temple. There is the temple.
This is the Suvarnamukhi temple, and the pond is situated just behind. This place is not only a place of worship but also a place of historical importance as well. There is a reason why this place is known as Suvarnamukhi. Legend says that this is the place where Emperor Janamajaya took bath and prayed, after which he was released from Sarpa dosha, or the curse of the snake. He also got a golden body after he had bathed in this pond. Hence, this place is called as Suvarnamukhi. He then consecrated the idol of Champagadamma Swamy. The Kalyani or the pond is emptied once a year so that the rock at the bottom, which is engraved with the image of Anjaneya, may be worshipped. After worship, water is once again let in the pond. The water in this Kalyani is believed to have curative powers. The locals say that a dip here will cure you of several diseases. While trying to gather some information about this place, it came to my notice that in 2016, 2 students lost their lives in this pond attempting for a selfie. The silence and calmness that prevailed here and the strange beliefs and stories associated with this place really added to the mystery and gave a dark feel.
This is the view from the top of the hill that is situated backside of the temple. So the temple is over there, that side. So we just climbed that hill and we came here, and this is the view. It's amazing, man. There's absolutely no one here, you know. We just saw one person near the temple who looked like a caretaker or something. Apart from that, only we were there. No sounds of any people, any vehicles, nothing. Only few insect sounds were there. Apart from that, it was completely silent. Total silence. This view is really satisfying. So while coming here, we saw few people who were going back. Apart from that, did not see anyone. I can see a road passing over there. Not sure if you guys can see that. So that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If yes, please do like, comment and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So until I come back with a new video, this is Rahul signing out of Nature Travels. Bye bye.